One of the secrets to face crises is to gain in resilience. I mean, to be able to adapt quickly to new situations. Nowadays, with the global inflation that touches all ingredients from flour to butter, there is no magical formula to avoid extra costs related to raw materials. However, bakers still have some major cards to play in their recipes. Mr. Gobert brings us some great insights about its baking ingredients expertise.
We're facing a crisis. Industrial bakers must adapt quickly their processes to face new sourcing quality of wheat flour, for example, but also of strategic ingredients like gluten, fat or sugar. Fortunately, within Baking with Lesaffre, we are used to work on this topic and adapt our improvers to those changes and our customer recipe. With enzyme blends and in connection with our sensory lab, we can manage fat reduction or sugar reduction. We also provide bakers technical advice for cost saving and better consistency on lines. And all of that, of course, without impacting the final product quality.
Thank you for watching and see you soon to decipher more trends.